In the heart of the wild, a symphony awakens with the first light of dawn. These are the birds, vibrant spirits of the sky. Each day a new adventure. They flit from branch to branch, their keen eyes ever searching for breakfast. A juicy worm, a plump berry. Mornings are for foraging, for gathering energy under the sun's gentle gaze. As the day warms, some take to the skies, soaring on currents, while others might tend to their nests, carefully guarding their precious eggs, or feeding their hungry chicks. Every feather, every song, every flight is a testament to their incredible daily struggle and triumph. From the smallest hummingbird to the mightiest eagle, they embody freedom. Their lives a beautiful dance with nature, a simple yet profound